Right, so this is the last beam we put on. Put one each side with 12mm, what is this, threaded rods. Just to pull this thing together we had to do it a bit at an angle, just to get through both pieces of pine beam here. We're gonna have to put in cold screws right through and then tighten these up just to level everything out completely. And then for the finishing touch, we put on this little weather strip trim, which absolutely looks amazing. Here's the C channel, 2.5mm thick. It's a 125 by 50mm. This was actually going to be part of the frame for the Comus Oasis, but I think it'll work just quite nicely up here. And then we're going to have this little cavity between the C channel and this, which apparently will be for spilling drinks or any excess of rain or fluids that'll, oh, that sounds horrible, but yes. So then that'll go over the end. Hole saws, dimple dyed, and the corners cut 45 degrees. Gonna meet up with the other one, weld it. Right, so this is the next day of the build. Today we're going to focus on the metal C channel around the whole deck. We are in Bernard's shop and we're going to cut hole saws into the pieces of metal. 45mm hole saw, we're going to have to drill about 30 to 40 holes. So you can just make the math and see that hole saw is not going to last. So we did make a makeshift. These are the tungsten carbide bit tipped hole saws. It's the best one we could find. We've got two of these. And then we made a makeshift cooling setup here that uses cutting fluid and a washer pump. Basically pumps it through, just circulates it, cools it, and also lubricates it a bit for the cutting bit. And then just dilute it with these cutting fluid bottles, 2 of these, a litre of these, and 10 litres of water. Max speed. Okay, clear. Go. go. 5 done. Let's see. Beautiful. Okay, so these are the parts that were dimple dyed, as you can see here, and this is just the hole saw. Massive difference in terms of structural strength. And we're halfway there. Well, still need to do the small ones. Almost halfway there. Okay, let's do the rest. Ice cold. Works great. Wow. That's like room temperature. Well done. 40 holes.
It is 40 holes.
Okay, so all the dimple dies and hole saws are cut out. Everything is done for the 4 pieces on the main structure of the deck, and we are finished at the workshop now. Next up, we're going to Pierce Place, and then we're going to put the whole frame together, drill the holes for the steel rivets, the solid steel ones, clean the metal, paint it on the inside, varnish the wood, or probably going to linseed oil treat that, and then that should be today's work done.
The moment you walk in